some of these got a little out of control. I should have done this a couple weeks ago, but you know, these things happen. Okay, so first up we're going to work with the tumbling Tom, which is a tumbling dwarf tomato. And I have to try and get these giant ones out of the way. Those might be too big to go into this container. They might have to go into their own, and not these stacking ones, those ones there. So, coming in now. I might have lost my name tag on some of these after I pulled the flowers out. Oh, here we have another coleus, a couple coleus. Okay, oops. Okay, now the tumbling toms are easy to tell because they have this much finer leaf structure. And just trying, my goodness. Don't let them go this long. Okay, so I have my two. I think there's two in here. There might be the roots on this one. I don't know if you can see that. See the roots on that one? Like coming out of the stem there? They're going crazy. Okay, and then I am going to pull off any of the leaves that are like below here because I don't really need those on here. And look, we already got some babies. And I am going to leave them because I want tomatoes. So. Okay, now they have to come out the holes. And now I'm going to use my mycorrhizae and I'm going to just put a little bit right on the roots. It has to come into contact with the roots. Okay, it's super bright out here, you guys. Alright, just a little tiny bit. Backfill it a little bit. And then I have my regular potting mix. Here, the Pro Mix. And I have the manure here. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, it's so dark and rich. Nice, healthy start for these guys. Okay, and then I'm going to come back in. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the tumbling. I'm going to do my orange hat in here with these guys. This orange hat is a very tiny tomato. Okay, that's going to go all around that. Okay, set it to the side for now. Okay, this one's a beast, and I have no label on it. And it's already, okay. Okay, you guys, how crazy is this for a 2-inch soil block? Like, come on. I can't even get it in the shot. go with brand new to me, strawberry ahi. Very exciting. These seeds were from Marsha. So shout out to my friend Marsha at Seam of Her Pants. And we're gonna just gently put these in here. She's presentable now. Okay, so I'm gonna go tuck these in the greenhouse and I'm gonna show you how they look sitting in there. All right, so here they are in the greenhouse. I got my 2 stacks right there, and they look kind of sad, but they always look sad when they're back in the greenhouse. The rest of the peppers are gonna go outside. I'm not gonna put them in here, but they are really putting out. Look at that, fantastic. I'm not sure which variety that is. I saw another one that had like the upright. Where did those go? They're around here somewhere. Everything just got watered though, so that's good. They were getting a little dry. Oh, see here, we got these ones that are like the different kind of pepper. And I did pot up some of the petunias and the coleus that I had to kind of rip out of that container. So there's the rest of that container. That coleus is looking fantastic. There's the next batch of coleus down there. They're doing good. Everything seems to be doing good in the greenhouse, so hopefully we'll get these planted out soon. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.